Checkin wood splitter, simple, strong, and ready for winter. With firewood prices in Europe climbing, sometimes reaching over $200 per cubic meter, having a reliable tool like the Checkin wood splitter just makes sense. Whether you're prepping for a cold winter or simply want to be self-sufficient with your heating, this budget-friendly splitter offers great value at just $74. It's compact, manually operated, and surprisingly efficient at splitting both dry and wet wood with ease. What sets the Checkin apart is its movable splitting mechanism, which adds extra weight right where it's needed to boost impact force. That means you don't need brute strength to get the job done. Gravity and smart design do most of the work. It's perfect for everyday homeowners, campers, or anyone who prefers chopping firewood the old-school way without sacrificing safety or effectiveness. In uncertain times, having this little workhorse around brings peace of mind and a warm home. Terra Trencher, award-winning mini trencher. The Terra Trencher is a compact, award-winning tool built for professionals who need to dig precise trenches in tight spaces, fast. Whether you're installing irrigation lines, electrical cables, or drainage systems, this machine can dig up to 750 millimeters deep without creating a big mess. It's small and light enough to be operated by just one person, saving both time and labor. Because of its smart design, it keeps soil neatly to the side instead of scattering it all over the work area, ideal for landscaping, golf courses, and tight construction sites. However, while it's efficient in soft to medium soils, some users report it struggles on dry or extremely hard ground. It's not exactly cheap either. The trencher itself costs $2,900, and the full kit with dolly goes for $5,900. But for those in landscaping, utility work, or agriculture, the Terra Trencher offers a compact solution that delivers high precision where traditional trenchers can't reach. XSTOZW4170D, heavy-duty stair climber with power to spare. The XSTOZW4170D might sound like a sci-fi robot, but this powerful stair climber is a real-world game-changer for moving heavy loads. Designed to tackle one of the most challenging tasks in transport, hauling gear upstairs, it can carry up to 170 kilograms at a steady pace of 34 steps per minute. Whether you're moving appliances, equipment, or stacked boxes, this machine handles it with ease. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that can climb up to 135 floors on a single charge, and thanks to its shockproof pneumatic tires, it rolls smoothly over steps and rough surfaces. With an operating noise level of about 70 decibels, it's as quiet as a household vacuum cleaner, surprisingly subtle for such a powerful tool. At approximately $1,500, with discount, it's certainly not a casual purchase, but for delivery teams, warehouse workers, or tradespeople moving bulky equipment, this tool saves time, energy, and backaches. If stairs are part of your daily routine, the XSTO is a worthy workhorse. Ryobi Speedbench Mobile Workstation, a bench and cart in one. The Ryobi Speedbench isn't your average DIY work table. It's a versatile, cleverly engineered mobile workstation built for serious makers and professionals alike. Made by the trusted Japanese brand Ryobi, this tool seamlessly transforms from a solid, heavy-duty workbench into a rugged transport cart in seconds. In its workbench mode, you get a durable wooden tabletop measuring 107 by 56 centimeters, plenty of space for woodworking, tool setup, or project assembly. Even better, it can hold up to 181 kilograms, so feel free to load it up with materials, tools, or even heavy gear. Switch to cart mode, and while the weight capacity drops slightly to 136 kilograms, you gain the benefit of large 25 centimeters wheels that make transporting gear around the shop or job site easy and efficient. Whether you're rolling it across a garage floor or hauling it across uneven terrain, the Speedbench holds up. Priced at around $668, it's an investment in flexibility, function, and reliability, perfect for anyone who needs their workstation to move with them. Skyscraper Package, roof cleaning made safe and simple. The Skyscraper Package is an innovative toolkit designed to make roof cleaning safer, faster, and much more efficient, especially for professionals. Priced around $763, this cleverly named system allows you to remove moss, debris, and dirt from rooftops without the need for ladders or walking on potentially dangerous surfaces. With 3 adjustable height settings, 7, 9, and 10 meters, you can tackle a variety of buildings from the ground or a stable platform. The package includes 11 interchangeable scraper blades in different shapes, allowing you to match the contour of different roof tiles for a thorough, tile-safe clean. There's also a dual-head brush attachment that effectively scrubs away moss and stubborn buildup. The modular design means you can switch between blades and brushes quickly, combining them for more tailored results depending on the roof type. This setup is ideal for professional cleaners, roofers, or maintenance crews who need reliable gear that boosts safety and productivity. While the upfront cost may seem high, it's a smart investment for anyone looking to deliver top-notch cleaning results with less risk. Wicked Edge W64 Cobalt Compact Precision Knife Sharpener. If you take your knives seriously, whether in the kitchen, outdoors, or in the workshop, the Wicked Edge W64 Cobalt is a sharpening system you'll want in your gear. Despite its compact 24 cm length, this tool packs the performance of much larger, professional-grade systems. What makes it so effective is its high-quality dual 2600 grit diamond-coated sharpening stones, mounted on smooth guide rods. These rods allow you to precisely control the sharpening angle, and thanks to a built-in slider, you can see your angle clearly and make micro-adjustments as you go. This kind of control means consistent, razor-sharp results every time, no guesswork, no wobbly edges. What's more, the W64 Cobalt is compatible with adapters, so you can also sharpen scissors, chisels, and other edge tools, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. Whether you're a chef, woodworker, or survivalist, this sharpener is built for you. And at a price point of $76, it offers solid value without cutting corners on performance. Prestoyle Torque Ratchet, Precision Torque for Cyclists. If you're a cyclist who's serious about maintaining your bike, or you just want peace of mind when tightening bolts, the Prestoyle Torque Ratchet is a must-have tool. It cleverly combines a multi-bit tool with a precision torque wrench, giving you both versatility and accuracy in one compact set. Whether you're adjusting a seat post, tightening brake mounts, or even installing pedals, this tool ensures you apply exactly the right amount of torque, up to 16 Nm. That's key for avoiding over-tightening and damaging expensive bike parts. It includes 12 common bits stored neatly in a pocket-sized case, so everything stays organized and ready to go. Weighing just 200 grams, it's super portable. You can toss it in your bike bag or jersey pocket without even noticing. At just $50, it's a small investment that saves time, reduces the chance of mechanical failure, and keeps your ride running smoothly. Great for both hobby cyclists and pro bike mechanics alike. Ibantock EDB 480.1 Dual Blade Reciprocating Saw. The Ibantock EDB 480.1 is not your typical reciprocating saw. It's a professional-grade German tool built for heavy-duty cutting with precision and power. What sets it apart is its dual blade system, which slices through hollow bricks, foam concrete, drywall, and even various plastic and wood materials with ease. The dual action reduces vibration and increases control, making cleaner cuts and reducing user fatigue. It weighs about 6 kilograms, so it's sturdy, but not overly heavy, and comes with a generous 4-meter cord that gives you plenty of room to move on the job site. A standout feature is the integrated dust blower, which keeps your cutting line clear and improves visibility and safety. The handle is adjustable for left or right-handed use, and its compact design makes it perfect for working in tight spaces, like ceiling corners, basements, or behind walls. This level of engineering doesn't come cheap. The price is around $933, but for pros working in construction or renovation, it's a reliable and powerful choice. SP Quick Flow Drill-Powered Transfer Pump. Imagine turning your everyday cordless drill into a powerful fluid pump. That's exactly what the SP Quick Flow lets you do. This smart little attachment connects to your drill and instantly transforms it into a pump capable of moving liquids at up to 3 liters per minute when running at 1200 RPM. It's incredibly handy for tasks like transferring motor oil, draining small tanks, or pumping water without the need for bulky, expensive machinery. The hoses included are made from tough, chemical-resistant polymers, so they can handle harsh fluids and high temperatures over long periods. Plus, with 1-meter-long hoses, you've got enough reach to work comfortably without making a mess. This tool isn't just a clever idea, it's built for real work and can be a game-changer for mechanics, DIYers, and boat owners. The quick flow is priced around $335, which may seem steep, but it offers serious functionality and saves time when handling fluid tasks on the go. Fischer Duotech, versatile drywall anchors that mean business. Fasteners may not be glamorous, but they're the hidden heroes behind every secure shelf and fixture. Fischer's Duotech drywall anchors are a great example of clever engineering packed into a small component. Designed with a zip tie-style ribbed strip, these anchors can grip securely in drywall and hollow walls, even when paired with metric screws, which isn't common. Made from a strong combination of fiberglass reinforced plastic and stainless steel, these anchors hold firm where others might slip or fail. They only require a standard 10mm drill bit, making installation simple with everyday tools. A box of 50 Duotech anchors, 10 by 50mm, costs around $76. An excellent deal for serious handymen, renovators, or anyone dealing with fragile wall materials. Whether you're hanging cabinets, TVs, or storage systems, this little plug delivers big holding power. Bloom T10 Drilling Template Set, professional grade precision. For furniture makers, cabinet builders, or serious DIYers, drilling template systems like the Bloom T10 are a must-have. This Austrian-made kit comes in a neat, portable case and includes top-tier templates compatible with Bloom's other guide rails and mounting hardware. The T651 template, for example, makes positioning runner hooks and pre-drilling holes for drawer rails and clips straightforward and error-free. What makes Bloom's templates stand out is their precision and durability. They're built for consistent results and professional finishes. Whether you're assembling kitchen cabinets or custom furniture, this system helps ensure that everything lines up exactly how it should. It's not the cheapest tool on the shelf, but that's the trade-off for Austrian-engineered accuracy and compatibility. For woodworkers who value clean installs and repeatable results, it's worth every penny. Nerf Terra Scout, the peacekeeping robot your yard needs. Turn neighborhood tension into tactical training with the Nerf Terra Scout, a remote-controlled robot built for backyard domination. This isn't just a toy, it's a tracked security enforcer equipped with a Nerf blaster, camera, and remote control with a color display. Use the live video feed to patrol your yard in real time and discipline rule-breaking neighbors or uninvited pets with up to 35 foam darts from its drum magazine. It's fun, clever, and surprisingly effective as a lighthearted deterrent. Inspired by tactical bots, the Terra Scout turns yard duty into a mission. Whether you're playfully protecting your lawn or teaching noisy neighbors to respect your peace, this $1,757 machine makes sure your message hits home, with foam, not fury. It's more than a toy, it's the ultimate combination of tech, tactics, and tongue-in-cheek justice. Cactus Fence, no conflict, just clear boundaries. Some neighbors just can't take a hint. Whether it's someone tossing garbage over your fence or a nosy passerby peeking into your yard, the Cactus Fence delivers a firm but friendly solution. These rugged plastic spike strips are sharp enough to stop cats, birds, or even careless humans from trespassing, without causing real harm. Easy to install along the top of fences, gates, or ledges, the spikes act as a simple yet effective deterrent. A single pack of 10 strips covers up to 13.5 meters and costs just $10, making it one of the most budget-friendly security upgrades around. Better still, it avoids direct confrontation. Instead of arguing, just install the fence, problem solved. These spikes don't provoke conflict, they prevent it, reminding everyone exactly where your property begins, and their behavior should end.